that all of you are doing great. Now, I remember I have been the advocate of this particular coin very much. In fact, a lot of videos I have talked about this coin, and for the first time, I talked about it in detail, specifically in 2021. And right now, it is already rallying. And I remember, specifically, remember, I made a video when it reached bottom 30 cents, it reached. And in June of 2022, even though the fear was very high, I told to the people that so much value it is delivering out there in the world. You see the external factors. This is one of the opportunity of the lifetime for people to accumulate something like this, the Polygon or Matic, and that too like the risk-free kind of investment. Why? Because when the bull market returns, something that has partnered with Reddit, with Disney, with Facebook, with Instagram, right? Obviously, I mean, these are the things that are definitely bullish. It is just a matter of time the price is going to increase. If you would have accumulated at 30 cents, right now we are still hovering around $21,000 Bitcoin, but Matic has rallied to $1.20. Right now it is sitting at $1.20. That means you would have made 400% gains from there itself. 400% gains, which is good enough. And this is just the beginning, guys. And right now, with 400% gain, approximately it is sitting at $9 billion market cap. So why exactly Matic is rallying right now? Obviously, in the future, there is no doubt Matic is going to rally when the bull run returns. But right now, slight bit of Bitcoin holding well. Matic has started like taking off. I specifically remember when the first time in 2021 bull run, I recommended Matic to my audience. It was sitting at $1. So anyone who bought it and you bought it any other coin, right now it is like every other coin is like 80% down. Matic is 20% up, even from 2021 bull run after this brutal bear market. Matic started rallying right after the news that it was understood that Instagram partnership is going to be there with the Matic and stuff, right? But now Instagram has announced that it is going to release its manual on buying and selling the NFTs onto the Instagram. And this toolkit or manual is going to be used by, I mean, it will have every description that even a new layman, how he's going to create the NFT, buy and sell it. Just imagine a billion users will be having access to this NFT out of thin air. They can create the NFT and sell it. And just imagine once it takes off, there could be possibilities that we are talking billions of transactions happening in a single day, and the first partner being Polygon or Matic. It will be done onto Polygon or Matic. This is what the Metcalfe's law says. Anything that's usage increases, the value increases exponentially. And here we are talking a billion people using a technology on a day-to-day basis. And based on the Polygon, definitely investors realize this is a life-changing opportunity. Even though it is already sitting like $1.20, it is sitting at more than $9 to $10 billion market cap. But that even has a great liquidity. Like people can invest $10 million and get out of $20 million once the price doubles. Why? Because the liquidity is there, because $1 billion market cap. You cannot just invest into a low market cap coin, which is like $20 million market cap, and then you invest $1 million and you come out with $5 million. You know, the moment you start selling such a low market cap coin, the price is anyways going to tank badly. Now, having said that, this was the first thing happened. The announcement happened. On the same day, this giant news broke out as well. The investment banking giant JP Morgan successfully executed its first decentralized finance, the DeFi trade on Polygon. This is huge news in its front. You might have heard of JP Morgan, whether you understand it or not. Like these people, investment banking, they were really, really anti-crypto few years back. And right now, not just they have adopted to the crypto, like they are agreeing crypto is the future. They have even, like we are talking, they have successfully done their transactions. We are talking hundreds of billions of dollars of values that these guys deal with. They have done it on Polygon, both the news combined. And we already know, and in the back end, what all Polygon has done it. Like they have partnered with Disney, they have partnered with Reddit. This is just the beginning, guys. Literally, I believe for now, the kind of value that these people are delivering. I mean, I have been fan of them. I've been consistently talking about them from the past. The kind of, I mean, obviously, even before Disney partnership, even before Instagram partnership, even before Reddit partnership, they were already delivering huge amount of value by minimizing the gas fees. Uh, Huge amount of value means the number of usage grew substantially, and that is the reason, like probably in 2021 bull run, it already did like 200x uh, following 2020 bear market. But they have no sign of stopping. Like this is the next level of thing. And I would be safe to say, fundamentally, after Bitcoin and Ethereum, right now, Matic has been doing the biggest of impact, like making the biggest of impact at the third place within the entire crypto market. So why not, guys? Obviously, this is the reason of the rally. And let me tell you, this is just the beginning. When you're talking about the bull run, mega bull run that comes, Matic is significantly due a great amount of rally, even more. But it's already jumped like 400% from its bottom low when I said go and accumulate it at 30 cents. Probably right now, I would not say just go and blindly buy it. Probably just wait for a little bit of cool off. Whenever you have a significant amount of rally, yes, there might be another leg up. There might be another rally coming, but that is always not a good decision when you have already seen like such a huge rally and you have other coins that are yet to rally. Uh, because the chances are there might be a lot of people who will be trying to take the profit now because they invested at 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. They would want to just get out of them. And when they take the profit, the price is going to fall down. When things cool off, when the news cools off, right? It is based on the emotion. Probably that's when like below a dollar, if the price falls back again, probably then you can get into it and then start to dollar cost average because obviously it is a long term hold kind of a thing. At the same time, even for the traders, uh, they had this SMA thing that 50 on a daily chart, 50-day simple moving average cross 200-day. This is like the golden cross, very bullish for the any of the coins. And because all other traders watch these things, so everyone would buy at the same time, causing the rally further. Apart from the great fundamentals, even from the trading perspective, chart perspective, the bullish news was there. So having said all of that thing, guys, I mean, literally, Matic all-time favorite. The best time was to accumulate when it was at the bottom. When I said try to accumulate, probably this can be taken as a lesson for all of us that the coin with a great fundamental, when you are having a macro bearish environment, is one of the greatest opportunity to accumulate because when the macro environment gets better, the fundamental will take care of itself. So, guys, I hope that you found the video helpful. Again, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. Also, if you would like to win one full Bitcoin, all you have to do is just sign up to our to Binance exchange, the best exchange in the world, from the link down below in the video description. That's it. That's all you have to do. And then probably you can even buy Matic over there after like verifying your account. And again, just watch the quick video in the end. It talks about how can you win that one full Bitcoin. And yes, guys, just wait for a little bit of correction and then probably you can start accumulating again the Matic kind of a coin because it is a long-term hold and obviously it has a great liquidity. Probably, let's say if you want to invest just $50, $100 and you're trying to make 100x out of it, in that case, I would not recommend Matic. Why? Because I mean, it is already sitting at a higher market cap, so you might be getting I mean, you have to get in a little lower cap altcoins that I have been talking about onto my channels. You have to follow it. If you have not followed it, like do subscribe to it. Because upside will be far more for the lower market cap. But let's say somebody investing $5,000, $10,000. I mean, obviously, you need to be. I mean, you want to be safe as well, right? You do not want to just invest into a coin and one fine day you're seeing the project has run. I mean, you want to be safer, better safe than be sorry. So till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Take care. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way. You sign up, you deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.